Hi and welcome to this short tutorial on setting up RStudio. First of all, open up a browser and search for RStudio. Look for the result rstudio.com, usually the first result, and click directly on the subpage Download RStudio. Select the free download version and then select the preferred platform that you'd like to install onto. Once the download has been completed, open the installation file and walk through the installation wizard. You can leave the defaults if you'd like or just change the settings as you prefer. Once that's completed, click on Finish, and now simply look up RStudio, which should be installed and found in the application list. Click on it to open, and now you have RStudio successfully installed. Just a note, if you don't have our language and environment set up previously, this will not work, so check the description below to link to the previous video where I set up R. Before you start working with RStudio, you'll need to set the working directory. This could be any folder that you set and will contain all the files you'll be working on or with. So in order to do that, first of all, go to the Files pane and then click on the three dots and navigate to the folder that you would like to contain all your files. In my case, I have a previously utilized working directory that I'll be using, so I'll just set that to this one. Select the folder, then click on OK. So now you're in the working directory, but RStudio doesn't know it as such, so you'll have to click on More and then Set as Working Directory to complete the process. Now once you've set the working directory and you have some sample files downloaded, most of which are comma-separated values, you can read them into RStudio. And that can be run by reading the file contents into a vector. So the command for that is read CSV, and then specify that it's a file and the file name, and then head through to pull in the column headings, and then specify the separator. In this case it's commas. So just run that and you can see that it's been imported into RStudio, and clicking on it shows up the contents of that file. Now, instead of clicking on it, you can just type in the vector name, which will show the same thing, or you can pick a particular column based on the heading name. So in this case, oil, and it shows all the values under that column. Or you can type another column name, so let's go for gold, and you get those associated values as well. You can do the same thing as using a manually created vector. In this case, we can get the mean of all the oil values, or get the median range of a particular column. In this case, let's try the gold columns. So there you have it. We successfully installed RStudio, set the working directory, read in data from a CSV file, and ran some basic functions on it. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching.